The Karnataka government has decided that it will recover damage to public property from the rioters, a move that was first announced by the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who decided to make anti-CAA protesters there pay in the state. But is this practically possible is a question. The investigation will have to be swift and efficient.
The heart of Bangalore descended into an absolute mayhem last Tuesday night. Urged by an allegedly derogatory Facebook post, a mob went on the rampage, vandalizing a police station, setting a Congress MLA's house on fire and torching vehicles. The Karnataka government has now decided to go the Yogi way, vowing strict action against rioters and making them pay for the damages.
The Supreme Court direction to all the states, in the case of rioting, any public property damage should be recovered by the persons who have done it. That action we are going to take immediately. We are identifying the person and we are assessing the losses, and we will see that properties are recovered by the very persons who have rioted.
The people who are responsible will be taking strongest possible action against them, so that this kind of incident never in the history of Bangalore it should repeat.
The Social Democratic Party of India, accused of fomenting riots, has lashed out at the state government. The political outfit of the hardline Popular Front of India allege they are being victimized.
Yes, state government is trying to divert the main issue, the sentiments of the people which has been hurt, which has not been highlighted. We have been a scapegoat between Congress and BJP. We want a fair trial between this. That is our demand.
In December last year, when protests against Citizenship Amendment Act rocked several parts of Uttar Pradesh, the Yogi Adityanath government had served notices to over 300 people, threatening to attach their properties in lieu of damages incurred.
The drive to collect damages from rioters is not an easy task. A similar task in UP faced a roadblock when the people who were the suspects arrested in the case turned out to be innocent. Legal experts say that only after a person is convicted by a court of law can the process be continued. With VJ Madhu, this is Karthik for India.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.